So we've completed the painting the first coat of the wall. As you can see, the color was it's a good color. It's close to the original match. As you can see in some of the other locations, we were also coating the corners of the balcony rails, as I was mentioning. So we're going to be applying sealant around the perimeter on 3 sides just to prevent water from getting into the wall, and also at the base of the balcony slab. Over here you can see the repairs that we ended up doing, and same with the other wall there too. The blocks I didn't score as deeply as the original, just for the thickness on the web. And yeah, you can kind of see what we've painted, and yeah, that's another one of our jobs here, and including the demolition. So we've used the tarps to we can open it up all the way, and additionally just catch all the debris that falls, so we're not going to make a mess on the grass, which would be very difficult to clean.